You are welcome to the Angels TV Rwanda. First of all, I want to thank my fellow parents for the big work you are doing these days, whereby our children are not in school. But we believe that you are helping them to revise, to make research about their learning. Today, we are going to have social studies, and our topic is keeping my body. This is for primary 1. My dear students, learners of P1, you are most welcome to this lesson. I hope you are all ready, and I hope you are all interested in what you are going to learn. We are going to learn about keeping my body clean. What is keeping my body clean mean? What does it mean? Good. Can you see on the chalkboard here? Can we read these sentences? Let us read and recite these sentences. Roman 1, Roman 2, and Roman 3. Roman 1. Musi keeps his body clean. Murengwa also keeps her body clean. Roman 3. You need to keep your body clean. Now, can you repeat these 3 sentences? Good. You are good learners. Now, let us look here. You are going to listen to me, and after that, you are also going to read the same. Is it okay? Good. Here we are saying we are going to talk about ways of keeping our bodies clean. We are going to talk about ways of keeping our bodies clean. Let me first ask a question. How can we keep our bodies clean? How can we keep our bodies clean? Good. I think everybody has told what is keeping our bodies clean. And I think your parent, your elder brother, your elder sister is with you, helping you to give ideas to this lesson. Very good. Now, here I have a number of ways how we can keep our bodies clean. Good. I know P1. By now, you can read very well and understand what you have read. Can you go through? Dear parent, can you help my child there to read well? Good. Let me also read. Please, P1, do you accept me to read also, or I leave you read alone? Good. And me, I'm part of the lesson. I am going to read. Right? Good. Now, we are going to talk about ways of keeping our bodies clean. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Those are the ways we are going to talk about of keeping our bodies clean. Now, A, brushing our teeth. We want to read. I'm reading, you read after me. Okay? Brushing our teeth. Bathing our every day. Bathing short. Cleaning our ears. Cutting our fingernails. And G, washing our hands after visiting the latrine or toilet. Now, let us first see. What is brushing our teeth? What do you use to brush your teeth? Tell us, what are the materials you use when brushing your teeth? May I have one? What's this? This is a material we use to brush our teeth. Who can tell us its name? How do you call this one? Very good. This is called toothbrush. Everybody say toothbrush. Very good. Are you having one there? Do you have it? Good. Those who don't have it, please tell your mom, tell your dad or your guardian to buy one for you. Okay? Alright. Then here, bathing every day. Who bathes every day? Do you bathe? What is bathing? Bathing is getting water and you sprinkle over your body and you clean your body clean. And some of the things we use to clean our bodies is, what's this? What's this? Wonderful. This is soap. Everybody says soap. Soap. We use soap to clean our bodies. Okay? By the way, if you don't clean your bodies, you have a problem. You may get diseases and fall sick. Okay? You are good children if you do it. Those who don't do it, please. Then we come here. Combing our hair. Who can tell us what we use to comb our hair? Do you comb? Has your mom or your dad bought you a comb? Good. May I have one? D. We have here cutting our hair short. Cutting our hair short. This is our hair. We need to cut it using a pair of scissors or a razor blade some, or you can go to salon and they cut your hair short. Okay? Then E, cleaning our ears. Cleaning our ears, we use a soft material or tool in order not to damage our ears. I have one here which is soft and you use it cleaning your ears and you do it very slowly so that you don't damage or destroy your ear. Okay? Very good. And F, cutting our finger nails. These are the nails. These are our nails. You need to cut them short using a razor blade. And you can see mine are cut short. What do we use to cut our nails short? Right. I forgot to bring the material or the tool we use to cut our fingers nails. But these are the fingernails. Do you see? When they are grown, it's a problem. Germs can come and live in your nails. And when you take food to eat, you eat the germs. And after you fell sick. You fall sick. Okay? So we should cut our nails short. And mine are cut, by the way. Can you see my nails? They are cut. Good. And here you have cutting. Here you have finished cutting our fingernails, but you had skipped one here, cleaning our ears. Okay? But you need to remind me when I misquote. Good. Now, cleaning our ears. Do you see this? You must have something soft so that you don't damage the ears. And you put cotton. Now, you use this to clean your ears, but you do it slowly so that you will not damage or spoil your ear. Okay? Don't use any sharp material like a stick, like a what. No, it must be soft. Are you getting it? Good. Now, G. Here, class, listen to me very well. Listen to me attentively on this point. Washing our hands after visiting the latrine or the toilet. This is very important. How many of you go to toilets? How many of you visit toilets? Very good. Everybody visit toilet, especially after eating meals, lunch, supper, breakfast, and so on. Therefore, after visiting the toilet, the latrine and the toilet, you must wash with water and soap your fingers. Are you getting this? So that you don't get diseases and fall sick. Okay? Now, as we end our lesson, we have learned about ways of keeping our bodies clean. I'm going to ask a question. Class, what have we learned about? What have we learned about? Ready? Very good. We have learned about ways of cleaning, keeping our bodies clean. Okay? Has it been interesting? Have you enjoyed the lesson? Have you learned some new things? Good. Now, class, we are going to do an exercise about our lesson, about what we have learned. I'm going to join you reading the heading of our exercise. Is there anybody who can try reading the heading? Yeah, very good. Some people can read. Wonderful. This is a good class of P1. Okay, now the heading reads, use the words in the brackets to finish the sentences. Use the words in the brackets to finish the sentences. These are the words in the brackets. These that are written in color. Now, number one reads, I must dash my hair. I must dash my hair. We have two answers. Comb, cut. According to our lesson, how we have learned, which answer are you going to choose to finish this sentence? Number two, my friend must dash her hair short, short, her hair short. My friend must dash her hair short. Answers, cut, grow. What? Cut, grow. Decide, choose a correct answer and finish this sentence correctly. What? Correctly. Number three, dash every day is good. Dash every day is good. We have two answers also. we have bathing, begging. What? Bathing, begging. According to our lesson, according to what we have learned, are you taking bathing or you are taking begging? Be careful to follow the notes, okay? Good. Number 4. Our teacher tells us to dash our ears every day. Our teacher tells us to dash our ears every day. Answers. Damage. Everybody? Damage. Clean. Everybody there? Clean. Now, does our teacher tell us to damage our ears every day? Does our teacher tell us to clean our ears every day? Okay? Are you understanding? Are things coming? Good. Number 5. We must dash our hands after visiting the latrine or toilet. We must dash our hands after visiting the latrine or the toilet. Now, the answers. Toilet, wash, latrine. What are we taking here? There are 3 answers. Choose the correct one. Is it okay? Now, I'm giving you just 5 minutes to finish that exercise. After that, we do corrections. After that, we do corrections. Or we say, wonderful. Okay? Good. 5 minutes to do that exercise. Where you don't understand, you ask your mom there, you ask your brother, you ask your sister to help you go successfully. Okay? Good. Good. I think you have enjoyed the exercise. Now, let us discuss the answers. Okay? Let us discuss the answers. You are going to help me there with your parent or your sister or your brother who is with you there. Now, here, our number 1 says, I must dash my hair. And here we have comb, yes, and a coat. So the answer is comb. Comb. To comb by using comb. So, this comb works with the hair, but the word coat, this is a cloth we put on our body to keep us warm or to look smart. So, one who put coat, please do corrections. Okay? Wonderful. Number 2. Excuse me. My friend must dash her hair short. They gave us cut and grow. So the correct answer there is cut. That's what we learned when we were discussing the ways of making our bodies clean. They told us that we must cut our hair short. But the word grow, this is to continue growing up, and we don't need too much grown hair. Okay? Good. Now, number 3. Dash every day is good. Now, I understand and I believe you decided bathing, not begging. Therefore, it is bathing every day is very good. We said that bathing, we use soap and water to clean our bodies. Okay? Wonderful. Now, the one begging, this is telling a person, give me something. No, we didn't talk about begging, okay? The one who used that one, do corrections. Good. Now, number 4, we say, our teacher tells us to dash our ears every day. And we had this material or this tool which we use to clean our ears. Therefore, it is clean, to clean. Damage is to destroy our ears. Is it good to destroy our ears or to do harm our ears? No, that's why we said we must be careful cleaning our bodies. Okay? Then number 5, we must dash our hands after visiting the latrine or toilet. We say we must wash. Okay? After visiting latrine or the toilet. Our dear learners, me, I have enjoyed this lesson very well. It is very, very interesting. I don't know what is happening there with your friend, your mother, your father. And I hope from now onwards, everybody is going to care about his or her body clean. Dear parents, continue helping our children, encouraging them to continue reading and more especially taking care of their bodies so that our children grow healthy. Finally, you know that we are in the days of keeping at home because of this dangerous coronavirus. Please make sure you have this material to protect yourself against this disease. May God bless you. Keep healthy.